Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. So we have planned top 100 programs, top 100 programs that are commonly asked in the interviews. We will see the programs one by one, and some programs are very important to understand the complex programs. So we are going to see these 100 programs from the basics to intermediate level. So once we cover this, then we will step into some of the advanced programs. Okay. The first program, it is about printing hello world message in the output screen. Printing hello world message in the output screen. So every programming journey in the world starts with this just two words, hello world. So this is not just a tradition. This program helps you to understand how a programming language talks with the computer and how output is displayed on the screen. So if you understand this program clearly, so you have already taken your first successful step into the Python programming. And this concept covered the Python syntax and the print function and how this Python displays the output. Okay, so let's begin. Where to type the Python program? You need to have any editor. So I am going to use the IDLE. This is the official editor for Python programming language. So once you click on this IDLE shell, it will open this shell where you can type a single line program. If you want to take a new file, so go to the file, select new file over here. Then a script window will be opened like this. Okay. Now here you can type your program. For printing hello world, you have to type print open bracket hello world. Okay. So this is the single line that we can use for printing the hello world. So go to the file, click on save and save in any location. I am going to store in Python 3.14. I am using Python 3.14 version. Okay, this is the program 1.py, which shows that this is the Python program. Save as type, you can keep it as Python files. Okay, save this program. Now you can see there is a run option to execute this program and click on the run module. Now you can see the output in the shell hello world. So here print, this function is very basic to print the string. The set of characters inside this double quotations is called string. Whatever you type here, okay, let me type VMS class and save this program and go to run and click on run module. It will print the string whatever you have given inside this double quotations. So this is how the print statement will work. Okay, here the print function is used to display the output on the screen. Whatever we write inside this double quotations, Python treats it as a text, which is also called as a string here. So when you write something inside this print statement like hello world, it is going to print the same string in the output console. Okay, save it and run this. You can see the hello world in the output screen. Now we will call this shell as output screen because it is displaying the output, right? And this is the place where you are going to write your program in the script mode. Script mode is nothing but where you can write multiple lines of program. Okay, and you see that the single line is used for displaying the hello world. That is the reason Python is considered very simple. Python is considered as simple, readable, and beginner friendly language, friendly programming language. Okay, here is the source code for this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.